Larsa Pippen has seemingly shaded Kim Kardashian again during the Real Housewives of Miami premiere. Season 4 started streaming recently, and in the first episode, Larsa addressed how it felt to have others giving their 2 cents about her divorce and feud with the Kardashian family. As a photo of her and Kim appears on the screen, she says, "People thought I wouldn't make it without Scottie Pippen. People thought I couldn't make it without some old friends. I'm great. I just basically want to, live my best life, have fun, do whatever I want unapologetically." She then went on to note that she was trying her best to keep a low profile while dealing with the many issues in her personal life, but added that she was proud of who she is today. Back in 2018, Larsa had filed for divorce from basketball legend Scottie Pippen, and then at the same time, rumors of a feud with the Kardashian family happened as well. Fans noticed that Kim, Khloe, and Kourtney unfollowed her in April of 2020, and because of that, this sparked rumors that there was a falling out. Larsa then later blamed Kanye West on an episode of the podcast Hollywood Raw. On that show, she claimed that Kanye was the reason that she and her longtime friends became distant. She goes on to say, "If Kanye feels like him and Kim are better without me, then let them be without me. I'm okay with that. I will survive. I want everyone to be happy." Although she did admit that she understood why Kim would choose to side with her now ex-husband over her, adding, "He talks so much about me being this and that and this and that. I just feel like Kanye was in a place where he really didn't trust anyone with Kim." However, as hung up on all of this as Larsa Pippen may be, the Kardashians have pretty much moved on. Following these comments, a source told Us Weekly that the family was unbothered by her claims and noted that the family thinks she is embarrassing and seeking attention. Super creepy though, they kept referring to the Kardashians as the family. Now in that podcast that she did, blaming Kanye West for her friendship breaking up wasn't the only thing that she said. Larsa also alleged that she dated Tristan Thompson before Khloe did, and said that she had to block Kanye West because he wouldn't stop calling her in the middle of the night. A month before the return of the Real Housewives of Miami, Kim and Larsa's friendship, or lack thereof, resurfaced again because Adriana Demora name-dropped Kim while insulting Larsa. She says, "You left this group of women, come back with a butt as big as Kim Kardashian's, trying to become the new Kim Kardashian, which you're never going to be." Then on that same day, Kim posted a photo of herself with the caption, "They can steal your recipe, but the sauce won't taste the same," which made many fans wonder if Kim was taking a shot at Larsa here, although she later cleared up the tweet and said, "No shade throwing, I don't do subs, I want everyone to win, I just had a good caption." But I'd love to hear your thoughts on all of this in those comments down below. And speaking of, let's read out some of your comments because it's been a while since I've done this. I'm going to check out some of your comments from the video titled, "Ace Family Commits Mortgage Fraud, Could Serve 25 Years in Prison." Sheridan says, "Ace Scamily." I mean, that's what they should rebrand to. Ace Scamily. Artie Bacardi says, "They wanted to be about that life so bad that it literally broke them money, morally, and legally wise." Yeah, it's going to be hard for them to come back from this one. Starcore says, "They have to crowdsource hard. A lawyer for this is going to be expensive." Yeah, it's definitely going to cost them a lot more in legal fees than it would have if they had just, kept making YouTube videos. Aaron Piper says, "I would love to see the parents serve prison time for being frauds." I mean, if they're found guilty for some type of crime, that could happen. I'd hate to see it for those kids' sake, but if they broke the law, then they broke the law. But that's all the time that we have for today, folks, so stay classy, and I'll see you in the next one.